This is an activity to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. Take a glass tumbler and fill it with water up to the brim. Cover the tumbler with a cardboard sheet or a steel plate. Put your hand over the steel plate and invert the tumbler quickly.
Now, slowly remove your hand supporting the cardboard sheet or steel plate. What do you observe? You will observe that the sheet will not fall. This happens because the atmospheric pressure on the cardboard is much more than the pressure exerted by water on it.